Everyone told me I would hate Chicago's weather. Others told me I'd hate driving in it. We moved here from Alaska a year after we experienced the snowiest winter on record there. So even if Chicago hits normal snowfall this year, I don't think it'll hold a candle to Anchorage on a really snowy year. Today is supposed to be the worst commuting day of the year. Something called an Alberta Clipper was supposed to hit us overnight. They forecast like 10 inches of snow on the ground by 3 a.m., but there isn't much to speak of yet. And that sort of characterizes this winter so far. It's more hype than happen. The train is great for snowy days like this, and in general. I think I get more done on the train than I do at my desk all day. The energy transfer from this train to the frenetic city is amazing, and I usually crank up the decibels on my headphones as I head out into it. It helps me match the pace of the city. I try to walk from Millennium Station to Navy Pier every day. Even in snowstorms.